everyone, I'm Elena, and welcome back to another episode of AI Marketing Tips and Tricks brought to you by Advertising is Simple. Today, I'll be showing you how to use Sora. Sora is OpenAI's advanced video generation model, capable of creating videos from text prompts, animating images, and transforming videos into fresh styles. So let's dive in and take a look at how to use Sora. Sora is available to users who are subscribed and pay for OpenAI tools. At its core, Sora transforms your ideas into stunning videos with just a few clicks. You will want to start by entering a text prompt that describes your desired video. For example, type in a serene sunset over the ocean with waves gently crashing. In seconds, Sora brings your vision to life. Have an image you want to animate? Sora can handle that too. Simply upload your image and watch as your static image transforms into a captivating motion visual. But that's not all. Sora can remix your existing videos into completely new styles. Upload a video clip, select Remix, then choose from strong, mild, subtle, or custom remix, and let Sora do the rest. Your content reimagined in endless creative possibilities. And that's a wrap on introducing you to Sora. Stay tuned for Advertising is Simple's next month's video on exclusive AI marketing tips and tricks.